Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a set of the day. So before moving ahead, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the question, what do we have is that each of the six siblings named Azhar, Asif, Aslam, Akib, Arman and Ahmad are asked to choose three sports out of six sports, namely cricket, football, hockey, basketball, swimming and volleyball. The number of siblings who chose cricket, football, hockey, basketball, swimming, and volleyball are denoted by C, F, H, B, S, and V respectively. So cricket for C, football for F, hockey for H, and so on. And the following bar graph gives the value of C, F, H, B, and V. Okay. Now, first thing that you know is that all the six siblings chose three sports out of the six. That means the total number of sports that have been chosen is equal to 18, right? Whereas over here, you have been given the data for cricket, football, basketball, hockey, and volleyball, but not for swimming. And this data, the total value of this data is equal to 16, right? That means out of the 18 sports that were chosen, 16 were belong to cricket, football, basketball, hockey, and volleyball. That means the remaining two went for swimming. Okay. So we know that how many people chose cricket, football, basketball, hockey, volleyball and swimming. Now all the six sports, we know how many people chose which sport. Okay, so now let us make a table to determine which person chose which sport. Okay, so first of all, we have six people. Okay, so we have Azhar. Okay, let's get it done. We have Azhar, we have Atif, we have Aslam, we have Akib, we have Arman, we have Arman, and we have Ahmed. Okay, so all these are the siblings, and the sports that they have to choose is between cricket, football, hockey, basketball, swimming, and volleyball. So these are the sports between which they need to choose. So this is what we have. Now let's go on and read out the additional condition that have been given to us. So what has been given is that Atif chose exactly one sport which Arman did not choose. Okay, there are exactly two sports which have been chosen by Azhar as well as Aslam, and there are exactly three sports that have not been chosen by Aslam as well as Ahmed. Now that means Aslam and Ahmed, all the three sports that they do not choose are same, and that means the three sports that they do choose is also same. Okay. Also, what you know is that you can see that basketball is being played by 5 people. Okay. So if basketball becomes the sport that is not chosen by Aslam and Ahmed, then only a maximum of 4 people can choose basketball. That means Aslam and Ahmed, both of them have definitely chosen basketball. So Aslam has chosen basketball and Ahmed has also chosen basketball. Okay. Then it has been given that Ahmed chose cricket. Okay. So we have Ahmed who chose cricket, and swimming also he chose. Okay. He has chosen swimming also. And Arman did not choose basketball. So if Arman did not choose basketball, that means all the other 5 people did choose basketball. And for Ahmed also, we know which 3 sports he chose. That means the other sports he is not going to choose. Okay, for Ahmed, we are clear. Okay, and if we are clear for Ahmed, that same thing will be followed for Aslam as well. So Aslam will also choose cricket, basketball, and swimming, and the other sports he is not going to choose. Okay, now what you knew is that swimming has been chosen by 2 people, and now we know that which 2 people are those? They are Aslam and Ahmed. That means swimming, nobody else is going to choose. Nobody else is going to choose swimming. Also, what you know that volleyball was taken by 4 people, and Aslam and Ahmed have not taken basketball. So volleyball. So volleyball will be chosen by all the other people. Okay, it will be chosen by all the other people. Now, one more condition was given that there are exactly 2 sports that have been chosen by Azhar as well as Aslam. So Azhar and Aslam are going to choose exactly 2 sports together. Now you see that Aslam chose swimming, but Azhar did not. That means the other 2 sports that Aslam chose, Azhar also took those sports. Okay, Aslam also has those sports, and they are basketball and cricket. Now we know all the 3 sports for Azhar as well, so he did not choose the other 2. And similarly, what we also know is that cricket was taken by 3 people, and all the 3 people we have determined, so the other people are not going to take cricket. Okay, the other people are not going to take cricket. Okay, now talking about Arman. So for Arman, we know that which three sports he did not choose. That means the remaining three sports are clear. That the ones which he chose, right? Now between Atif and Akib, see, between Atif and Akib, they can choose. See, football has to be taken by two people, and similarly, hockey has to be taken by two people. Now, which person will it be is not clear because about Akib, no, nothing has been given. About Atif, one thing was given that Atif chose exactly one sport which Arman did not choose, and that sport is already basket. So we know nothing about Atif and Akib. So these two places will remain unfilled. Now we can move towards the question. So what is the value of 6 minus s? So s is equal to 2. So 6 minus s will be 4. That is option A. Now which of the following siblings did not play volleyball? So volleyball is not played by Aslam and Ahmed. So between the options, we have Aslam. So option number B will be the right answer. Then what do we have is that which of the following two siblings played hockey? So about it, nothing is, we cannot determine whether it was Arman and Atif or whether it was Arman and Akib. So the correct answer will be option number D, cannot be determined. So this was a pretty easy set, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching.